Hello, I'm Ali and today I'm gonna show you how to cook Chicken Alfredo Pasta. The ingredients for two.
چون دوتای عاشقونه تره. Here are the ingredients.
Let's cook. Cook pasta in salted boiling water for 10 minutes until al dente, then drain and set aside. Cut the chicken, season with salt and pepper, then pan fry in oil until golden. Melt butter and add the minced garlic and fry a little until its aroma rises. Saute mushrooms in butter until they turn golden. Pour in the cream and milk and stir. Then add the parmesan and mix until the sauce thickens. Add the chicken and pasta to the sauce, toasting well so everything is coated. And finally, garnish with parsley. And now you are ready to eat. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal. Okay. You keep it.